Yes, so Mr. Family now do this time now you celebrate called HK, aka the Exposer. Well, we don't come back with the same program of the way till you say we don't come back after the break we take for the Ramadan and the trouble of the Ebola epidemic within our country. So we don't come back with a brand new explosive topic then. What you know and me know say it affect the community. But what you not talk, when that make me the talk, then call me the Exposer. Well, we don't come. What do we talk about today? Today, we talk about this word. Appreciation. One green word, appreciation. But I will divide this word into two. Appreciation into saying thanks and sorry. What are we talk about today? Today, we talk about we use saloon brother and excessive. We don't get into relationships with woman die-hearted, hard-working woman. We don't spend 20, 25 short time or long time relationship. We don't get them woman and they we don't one day they will appreciate not a single day for that hard-working woman and they in their lifetime. Now they will talk about it. But today with the exposure now. Well, do ya before I go before, you know, so we all don't talk about the whole business. But do ya like give me the last and final advice from me, your heart. Do ya, Mr. Brother them? We quick now lose trusses. Do ya this tell all man time trusses first? Do ya let no go to trouble? You go belong to other person. Yeah, Mr. No sister, the woman say, do ya no not agree. Then nobody no go in trouble. They can't put on. But you dear, they no can give you early death. There go be some painful die. But if you pass through that road, do ya? You read Mr. No sister, you read Mr. No. Do ya? No on man, let's salon man. They one great salon man left to one great salon man this time. They one great woman left to one great man. If not temporal, several don't temporal till take this trouble that's all. Yeah, when I'm advising for the Ebola, I don't talk about again. We love talk about the word appreciation. Well, before I go far, I tell you this word I will divide that into two: saying thanks and sorry. Solomon no feel say we say sorry, a part of appreciation. Well, like today you go no say even sorry, a part of appreciation. Well, you divide this word and ask Solomon brothers. Then they answer me sincerely, and they can't ask you, dear Mr. Solomon, just give me a honest answer. Yeah. I just want to ask you, when last you honestly, sincerely tell that hard-working woman who day in and out of the house, cook, brook, look after the big them, do you do everything in the house, make sure say everything day in intact? When last you ever come and say, oh mama, thank you very much. I appreciate everything we do in the house. I'm so pleased and thank you very much. When last you don't ever say that sincere thank you to that woman day? It don't even fail this test. I'm not even done for asking. When? Mr. Lombrother. Oh, so you want to tell me say the woman they don't deserve a thank you from me? They don't deserve a thank you. They don't deserve a thank you from Solomon them? Really? You know what to make? Not to Obama they can't talk there. Not to Parliament they can't talk there. Now we the Solomon will talk there. They will try and sensitize yourself and they will try change things and would go wrong. Now we community. When I don't make the exposure come. Well, what you say it will read true. Well, listen. When I want to say the woman there, they don't really deserve to get a thank you from Muna. Well, I'll give you two instances them. Do ya? Instance number one. If you get picking them or not get picking, or you get anything, no take and say if you get picking, you get a family member who can visit Una. Car with anything from una picking and send from una picking. Which is the first thing where you go tell the picking. You go tell and say thank you to uncle or thank you to auntie. What you make? Because that's a good practice. So why, if not a good practice for the picking them, why not go try to implement that good practice in your relationship? It makes sense? No, it makes sense. Okay, let's try this other one. Why we would work day in, day out, then they pay we, monthly or weekly. But sometimes they go serve somebody, and that person tell you a sincere thank you from your heart. How you they feel? You they feel say, well, you don't render a good service to somebody. Not so. So you want to tell me say them woman there who don't spend their life day in, day out. They don't need a thank you, a sincere thank you from you. Really? Well, that expose the main thing. Do ya? Who now would they pull, who are they call, then Gaza chop money providers them. Now they give them 20 pounds, 25 euros, $30, $40 chop money weekly. What about that? Well, I'll go into details on that. Who now would they give that Gaza? Who now the Gaza provider chop money? We be see that 20 pounds. We will pull out 30 pounds. You don't catch fish, you don't pull money. You don't test, so you don't put your money. 30 pounds, 40 pounds, my brother. or 25 euros, 30 euros, $30. My brother, tell me something. Would that woman they do everything for make sure say things then go right? And the worst woman they do something and they were done like him on really. So Mike, you don't pull out 20 pounds or $30 or 25 euros. He want 2 plus sizes that money there. He say cook plus say cook and cook cassava leaf or cook pencil leaf. But that 30 pounds you pull, my brother. And some wicked man and they even they want it, then when they call him on the phone, but what they can do is buy fruits or buy juice drink instead of 30 pounds or $30 or $40 or 25 euro. When we say, brother, now sister them more. No, treat the election in common Gaza. How you go pull 30 pounds, then you can't say don't put your money. Oh well, the exposure no car. Well, today we read it too. You know about that fish when they call catfish. We can eat that soup. We can say, this soup is sweet. The brother, if you not get luck on this country, so this so. You know they buy below 10-15 pounds. You know that other fish where they turn in tail, then put in a mouth. They call on the kidney. If you no get luck, then they back when they buy below 10-15 pounds. Me man, they buy two fish no more. The money don't done. That 30 pounds we cap for it don't done. So, well I go talk home. You know see who me ready for talk I go talk. When I talk so today. Now that make when my sister la tell una. You know what make Saloma when they go shopping go left you. He drive you. He say well I dey wait for you in the car park. You know what make? Now not be ever know. When a Solomon go tell una so. Because Solomon no one go to map. Before that shop, that African shop, he pull that 30 pounds. He buy 2 fish no more. The money we give don't done right in front of him. He go bet in finger like that fish bet in tail na in mouth. And that make them then they go. Then they prefer say go no more. I do wait for you in the car park because no one go see the disaster. Where that 30 pounds we don't give we they buy for. Say don't give your money. We they don't inside. More that man 30 pounds. Man I will sister them eh. Then one day our sister they will look to the right because 30 pounds you say no say it no do. Huh? Even if you na Gaza top money provider, do your man 30 pounds no do. Well I left Dandy first. Let I tell you now back the other one. The one them way no get woman who can give money say give sister or give auntie or give family for cook for it. Then they give 10 pounds. So do Adam by the places. Afa Dandy says no right. My sister do you somebody give money say cook for me. You go give 10 pounds. No shame till that person to continue do. For tell film true, not tell us the money small. Tell us you do you give at least let him go to market, let you go buy what you want to buy. Let you see if that 10-20 pounds we give you for cook if you do. No give man, but that man with the come on a family member say give you 10 pounds. I them. We can give 10 pounds no more. Say this give me plus. Tell us say go buy something that you can with them. Then in see if that 10 pounds what in give you do for give plus. Yeah, well do ya. It's a long brother there. Now they give that guys a chop money. Something wicked say even in that 30 pounds the way they can give. And then they tell you, man, do you make for me lunch for going to working place? Afa, no, but this is not right. This is not right today. It's not right tomorrow. No, wait the parliament talk this wire. No, wait the Obama call conference. Then we self talk. Then when I wait, you say go read it through. I mean, tell you the truth. If you want to take them. My brother, if you want advise me. If you will advise me, well, me they advise you. Hear it? Well, I put the bad secret. Let one green Solomon send me an email. Write na me email box. Send them under the exposer at hotmail.com. Tell me say what they ask you if you don't want to do it. Who Solomon? Who don't want to shop for girlfriend? Yeah, Lord talk about. Who Solomon don't want to shop for girlfriend? How much you don't spend? My brother, you don't spend under 80 pounds, 100 pounds. 80 pounds, 90 pounds. Because you don't go buy the African food, then you go buy the grocery, them, you go buy the other things, them. And then now the whole in 10, 15 plastic in the whole. Even if the woman in on the 15th floor, we say take leave. Say no, I'm not taking it. You see, they claim. You know, you take leave. They say they use the stairs. For let you say you get you tough. You go hip then 10, 15 plastic. Then you don't spend 80 pounds, 100 pounds to girlfriend. Then you go. He left in pocket money. Where you go now? You go give woman 20 pounds, 25 euro. $30. Hey, my brother, but no, you know right. Now, if me not tell you, I'm not sure the other person will tell you. But do ya? What you say we read it true, but we don't come back. We're listening to this. That 30 people they give so, that will change that system there. The man in the give sufficient money. The man in they do nothing for just the some man they really themselves. Now days from man can really himself. You the money we they give, not to say pass you buy cow. But do you, my man? the man act well in the relationship. That woman don't be a hard-working, devoted woman. Don't give 20 points, go give girlfriend 80 points for cook. Or a bye-bye, now they bye-bye to the place they go with her for working girlfriend. Then you now host what you did with the beginning, you give 20 points. You know that? You know right too. You know really right, don't be honest. Then I don't advise you now. Now that make I tell you now, say, I've been telling you this before. Una come up behind the woman money when they get. Then small money there. You hear it? Woman work 20 hours, left that money there. Woman get in social law, he has to believe, left that money there. Woman get small tea, left that money there. You know that? Then woman there, and then chop up down there. And then chop up, cook. And then chop up, do all the other things. You know, Danny? Well, why una fashion that money again? Why una no go left her? Depend on yourself. If you brother, I feel say we need for talk this way. This don't really go inside my blood right now. They burn me. You know they pull full money. Then that small money what the woman get and they went back. Well, if I ask you now, you go tell me the truth. When last you pull money, you give you my say go do here or go do your nails. You don't say. Well, and that money what that money get, and he pinch so you do that thing. So why fashion that money again? Well, I correct you today. Na boku no me not to cry. Me na timni jahanka between maningo. You are listening to me. Here, what do you make? You don't suffer, cook. Don't do all the kind of trouble you cook. You put the food na you at table. You don't eat it better food. Bam! What did they say? Don't cry. You can't really want to trouble. This cassava live sweet or this cream sweet. You know what that mean? Mean like say that the cream go buy himself in the market, cut himself, put himself in a pot. Put per mic, then he cut himself, put on the table, you eat and he said, this can be sweet. Wrong Creole. Where here, how Timmy man or man, Jan come and they talk Creole. Now, so for tell thank you to somebody who cook for you. Listen to me. Do you take this and put it into your practice? Hear it? Say, hey, mama. I can we cook. He torture. Then they go bone. Then they put hand pan. This can create is sweet. Two things now you don't do. You don't appreciate the cook what the woman cook, then you don't tell them a thank you in between the time. That might not make sense. It makes sense so. Me, I believe say it makes sense. Well, if we want to say we they work on tradition, and say that the woman they cook, back home, say that the woman they do everything. Well, let you be the provider, let the woman cook. What about that? You know, they provide fully. You know, they tell thank you. Brother, now sister them. Hey God, this program just don't do outside for day. This don't do. But before I go, do ya una the Gaza chop money? Una the inside the Gaza chop money union. You hear it? Gaza chop money union. If not do we don't sacrifice your life for the give 10 pound, 20 pound, 30 pound, $20, €25. If not then you don't sacrifice for give to you woman, do ya will I give you this information or I give you this advice. Listen to me. Become a time done. Even the second part of this program, we will say sorry. We will do that. But today I go down this wire. I expect the second clip they come for the sorry one. But la done this wire. La I tell you the last one for una who did the Gaza chop money union. We una don't sacrifice my life for give 20 pound, 30 pound, $25, €25 for una woman. Now I give this information. Do I take pen right time? Hear it? Number one. Do ya buy the 25 kg rice? Kahibana house. You know right, huh? Number two. Do you buy that 5 gallon per mile? Hear it? Kahibana house. Even the oil, buy 5 gallon, Kahibana house. Do you buy your BASSF? You know the oil. Buy tomatoes, buy Maggi, can't put up. Then you get the 25 ton. Yeah? Because you God say that 25 points they provide for your family. Or na $30 they provide for family. Well, do that day. At least let the woman say not strain too much. Hear it? I beg. This program no go be done because I tell you say this na two-way. Thank you and sorry. We're not going to sorry. But my sister they are there at the camp. The next one will they come, will they continue on the sorry. Hear it? Do you hear me bother them? No, treat them like we your sister there. Hear it? Eh? Not talk this, you not take them personal. I respect myself, I respect you, and do you yourself respect the person you will deal with. And they chop money them, then they will add. Now they give money for cook to people, then they add. Do you hear it? Our peace at the come back soon for can continue the party of this one. Yeah? Let God bless you now. Then we go see you now. Wait till you say you were ready to. Well, I left for first.